How to fix audio not working in Free Fire on Android. This tutorial shows you how to resolve sound issues in Free Fire on your Android device. First, press the volume up button on the side of your device to make sure your media volume is turned all the way up. After that, long press on the Free Fire app icon and tap App Info. From there, tap on Storage and then tap Clear Cache to remove any corrupted data that may be affecting the audio. At this point, go back to the app info page and tap on Battery. In the next step, make sure battery optimization is set to unrestricted, so the app runs at full performance without any restrictions affecting the audio. Finally, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart to reboot your device and apply all the changes. And that's it. If this Free Fire guide helped you fix your in-game audio, give it a like, subscribe for more gaming tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.